Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to present PowerPoint in Google Meet. All right. Let's say, for example, that your PowerPoint is ready to go and you're ready to present. As you can see here at the top right, you'll be able to present in Teams directly. For now, presenting our PowerPoint to Google Meet is not an option yet right here. So just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and go to meets.google.com. And once you're in here, if you have the code or link, just go ahead and put that in here. If not, if you are the host, just go ahead and click on create a new meeting and start an instant meeting right here if you want to. All right. Now in here, just go ahead and click on use phone or camera. Click on it, hit on allow, give the necessary permissions. And it's getting ready. All right. So what we're going to do here, as you can see, I have my camera right here. This is basically my camera. I'm going to click on X. Now to be able to present, just click on this present now button right here. Click. All right. Now in here, you'll be able to see window tab and you'll be able to select the particular window that is currently opened. If you can't see it right here, all right, make sure that you hit on present in the PowerPoint right here. Click on it and it is now ready to go. Just minimize this one, minimize. Now, as you can see, PowerPoint is now ready. All right. If you want to share your entire screen and everybody will see whatever you do in your particular computer, just go ahead and select this one if you want to. All right. Or I'm just going to hit on PowerPoint right here and hit on share. As you can see, it is now ready. Just hit on ignore it here. And you can now start with your presentation. As you can see, I'm going to move my presentation right here by pressing the right and left arrow key. That's basically what the other people will see. Now, if you want to see other people right here, all right, just click on this one and you'll be able to find people, or hide this one right here. Then click on three dots, then select open picture in picture right here. As you can see, that's basically how we do it. All right. Now, if you want to end the presentation, just go ahead and go to the top right and click on stop presenting. It's done. Now it's going to automatically go back to your webcam. All right. That's basically how to present PowerPoint in Google Meet. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.